time to bring your PC components to life!
Let's talk about the power supply. Your power supply unit, or PSU, is the lifeblood of your PC. It sends electricity to everything. Pretty easy description, actually. Fun story, for my first PC build, I ended up getting a motherboard power supply combo deal. I was very scared about not getting a powerful enough PSU for the board, and I figured that would be the easiest way to make sure. Turns out, after chatting with a tech friend about it, it was a 1600 watt power supply, which, yeah, I was never going to need that much. It's essentially getting something that could probably power a little golf cart. I do use quite a bit of power nowadays, so, I don't know, bring on more power, I guess. Really, you should be going for a PSU that'll support the power needs of everything in your PC. So, if you built a really beefy rig, you're probably looking for something rated for 850 watt to 1000 watt. If your build is more for doing basic tasks and watching the occasional internet video, you're probably good for 650 watts or lower. Basic rule of thumb, whatever you think your top load is going to be, get a power supply that can handle an extra fourth or maybe an extra half of its rated wattage. Headroom is really important, especially if you might upgrade things later. Power supplies have an efficiency rating in the form of the 80+ label. They come in either white, bronze, silver, gold, platinum, or titanium. This rating basically means how efficiently your PSU converts AC power to DC power. The higher the rating, the more efficient it is, meaning lower energy costs and lower fan noise. It's not always necessary to get a platinum or titanium PSU, but it might be worth it depending on your living situations. One thing I heavily recommend is getting a modular power supply. It allows you to disconnect any extra cables that you aren't going to be using. You know, unlike those power supplies that have them all permanently wired in a big bundle. Now, the benefits of this is a much cleaner cable setup, and it also makes it easier to see at a glance how many ports you're working with. Alright, that should be everything you need. So, stay tuned for the final video where I'll go through some tips on what to do while you're putting everything together.